Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tale Crafter English, where stories light up your dreams and make learning English exciting. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're opening the door to a brand new you. If you listen carefully, this could be the moment that changes your life forever. Let me ask you something. Do you want to speak English with confidence? Do you dream of making new friends, getting a better job, or exploring the world? If your heart says yes, but fear or doubt holds you back, this is your wake-up call. I'm here to share a simple story about a woman who transformed her life by learning English. This isn't just a story, it's your roadmap to success. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a woman named Emma. Emma was 29 years old. She worked as a cleaner at a local school, lived in a tiny apartment, and had a quiet life. But deep inside, Emma wasn't happy. She felt like she was hiding. Her biggest struggle? She couldn't speak English well. When Emma was a girl, she had big dreams. She wanted to travel to new countries, work in a bright office, and share her ideas with the world. She imagined laughing with people from everywhere and feeling free. But every time she tried to speak English, her voice shook. My English is bad, she thought. I'm not smart enough. People will laugh at me. So, she stayed silent. One day, something changed. Emma was cleaning a classroom after school. On the board, she saw a poster for an English club. It said, "Learn English, change your future." There was a picture of a smiling woman speaking to a group. She looked so confident, so alive. Emma stared at the poster. Why can't that be me? She thought. Why am I so afraid? That night, Emma sat in her apartment, thinking about the poster. She looked at herself in the mirror. This is not who I want to be, she said. I want to speak English. I want to be confident. I want to live my dreams. That was the moment everything changed. Emma made a promise. Tomorrow, I start learning English. Tomorrow, I start transforming my life. The next morning, Emma woke up early. She was nervous. I'm not good at English, she thought. What if I fail? But she remembered the woman on the poster. She wasn't born confident, Emma said. She learned. I can learn too. Emma found a free English app on her phone. She started with one word. Hello. Emma practiced every day. She said hello to her mirror. She said thank you to her coworkers. She learned simple words like happy, work, and friend. It wasn't easy. Sometimes she forgot words. Sometimes she felt silly. But she kept going. Small steps every day, she told herself. That's how I'll grow. Emma made learning fun. She watched English children's shows and repeated the words. She listened to slow songs and sang along. She practiced phrases like, I am strong, and I can do this. She didn't understand everything, but she felt proud. I'm learning, she said. I'm getting better. After a month, Emma noticed something amazing. She could say simple sentences. Good morning, she said to a teacher at school. The teacher smiled and said, Good morning, back. Emma's heart jumped. I did it, she thought. Her coworkers noticed, too. Emma, you're speaking English, they said. You seem happier. And Emma was happier. For the first time, she believed in herself. Emma's journey wasn't always smooth. Some days, she didn't want to study. Some days, she felt stuck. But Emma remembered her promise. Small steps every day, she told herself. That's how I'll win. She made a simple rule. Never skip 2 days in a row. If she missed a lesson, she studied the next day. This rule changed everything. Emma found new ways to learn. She joined the English club at school. She was shy at first, but the group was kind. They practiced together, made mistakes, and laughed. "We're all learning," Emma said. She also started writing. Every night, she wrote one sentence in English. "Today, I am happy. Today, I learned a new word." Writing helped her think in English. One day, Emma saw the English club leader, a woman named Sarah, speaking to visitors at school. Sarah used English and looked so confident. Emma took a deep breath. "Hello, Sarah," she said. "Your English is great." Sarah smiled. "Thank you, Emma. You're doing great, too." They talked for a minute. It wasn't perfect, but Emma felt alive. "I'm speaking English," she thought. After 6 months, Emma was a new person. She could have short conversations. She understood more shows and songs. She even helped a new student with simple English. Her voice was clear. Her smile was bright. But the biggest change was her confidence. Emma knew she could do hard things. She knew she could transform her life. One sunny morning, Emma woke up in her small apartment. She looked out the window at her town. She smiled. This is just the beginning, she thought. Emma had a new dream now. She wanted to use her English to explore new opportunities. She wanted to help others, too. Emma applied for a new job at a community center. It was a job teaching basic skills to adults, including English. She was nervous, but she practiced for the interview. "I can do this," she said. At the interview, she spoke English. She made mistakes, but she kept going. The manager nodded. "You're passionate," he said. "We need that." Emma got the job. At the community center, Emma taught people from all over. She shared her story and helped them learn English. She laughed with them, encouraged them, and made them feel strong. She felt free. She also started a small English practice group in her town. Every weekend, she met with beginners. "You don't need to be perfect," Emma told them. "Just start." One day, a young man joined the group. His name was Tom. He was quiet. "I'm terrible at English," he said. "I'll never learn." Emma smiled. "That's what I thought, too," she said. "But you're stronger than you know. Say one word today. I'll help you." Tom said, "Hello." A year later, Tom was speaking, smiling, and helping others. "Emma, you changed my life," he said. Emma shook her head. "No, Tom, you changed your life. I just showed you the way. Now let's talk about you." Yes, you, the person watching this video. Emma's story is not just about her. It's about you, too. You have the same power. You have the same strength. You can transform your English and transform your life. But you have to take the first step. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine this. You wake up one morning and you're speaking English. You talk to new friends. You get a job you love. You travel to places you've dreamed of. You share your ideas and people listen. You feel confident, strong, and free. This is not a dream. This is possible. But it starts with you. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need expensive classes or a lot of time. You just need to start. Say one word today. Hello. Thank you. Watch one English video. Sing one song. Write one sentence. These small steps will grow. They will lead you to a stronger, happier you. What if you make mistakes? That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. But don't stop. Try again. Never skip 2 days in a row. Keep practicing, and you'll see results. You'll speak clearer. You'll feel prouder. You'll open new doors. This is your wake-up call. The life you want is waiting. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't say, I'm not good enough. Start today. Work hard. Stay focused. Never give up. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. I believe in you. You are stronger than you think. You are unstoppable. Transform your English and transform your life. Go out there and shine. Thank you for watching Tale Crafter English. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone you care about. Let's learn English and grow together. See you in the next story.